What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports. And yesterday we cashed pretty big. We hit on some of the Sunday promos over on Sleeper. And then we cashed on a couple of the other ones. So I'll share some of the wins right here. But if you guys aren't on VIP yet, go over there, subscribe at least to the day pass or the week pass. Get on there, try it out. We're cashing big over there, so take advantage of that. That's Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. And you can go over there, subscribe to the free plan as well, where I send out free plays of the day every single day. So I've already sent this play out to all of my people over there on the free Winible. But let's hop into what we are playing for today. So I partnered up with Chalkboard, like you guys know. But if you use the code 907 Fantasy over on Chalkboard and on Sleeper, Chalkboard will give you up to $100 deposit match, and then Sleeper will give you a $500 deposit match. So up to $600 of free money to go out there and play with between Chalkboard and Sleeper. So go ahead and go get signed up on both of those. I'll be sharing plays with them. So over on Chalkboard today, I have a play that I'm loving. First up, we're taking Rudy Gobert over 11.5 rebounds plus assists. He should be able to get this line and rebounds alone, but I do like the rebounds and assist line there. It is an adjustable line over on Chalkboard. We adjusted his line down, so that is why I like Chalkboard. It's an easy way to get some easy wins, build up your bankroll, build up that cash deposit. So take advantage of that. But first up, we're going Rudy Gobert over 11.5 rebounds plus assists. So next up, we're matching that up with Shai Gilgeous-Alexander over 25.5 points. He's averaging over 31 on the season, and in his last 9 games, he's scored over 30 points. So I do like this line for 25.5, and they have a good matchup against LA tonight. So with the Lakers, with them facing the Lakers tonight, look for Shai to have a good game, go out there and crush this line of 25.5 points. So next up, we're going John Collins over 23.5 points plus rebounds. So Utah is going up against Washington tonight, which is the worst team in the league, worst defense. They play no defense. Utah will be able to get anything they want. Utah by themselves are a bad team as well, but I'm looking for John Collins over 23.5 points plus rebounds. Utah is without Walker Kessler and Lauri Markkanen tonight, so John Collins should see an increase in minutes and in usage, be able to grab some more boards there without Utah's 2 big men. So I do like the John Collins one there at 23.5. And then lastly, we're going on the other side of this game over with Marvin Bagley over 17.5 points plus rebounds. So he's been crushing this line as well. And with the 2 just bad teams in general, this should stay pretty competitive and should stay a close game. So I like that line of 17.5. So that's the 4-man that I'm playing over on Chalkboard. Like I said, it's Rudy Gobert over 11.5 rebounds plus assists. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander over 25.5 points. John Collins at 23.5 points plus rebounds. And then Marvin Bagley over 17.5 points plus rebounds. So that's the 4-man I'm playing over there. If you guys are over on BETR today, use the link down in the description below, and they'll give you up to a $500 deposit match. And your first entry up to $250 is protected. So you can go over there, deposit $250, and you'll have $500 to play with. And then you can play a $250 slip, and it's protected. So if it loses, you'll get that money back. So that's on your first deposit and your first entry over on BETR. And today only over on BETR, they're having their Double Up Monday. So you can win up to 600x your cash. So that's huge. If you play that $250 and you go and get that 600x, if it loses, you get that money back. But if you win, you're making friggin' bank right there. So go ahead, take advantage of that over on BETR. That link's going to be down in the description below. Over on Sleeper today, they're going to be having some new promos for new users. So go ahead and use the code 907 Fantasy to get signed up. Go over here to the Winible and subscribe to at least the free plan. I'll be sharing some more free plays over there today. And subscribe to at least the day pass or the week pass to get all the VIP plays for today. So we're going to have another big day. We're going to cash big again today. Good luck with all your plays. If you're going to be telling me on the Chalkboard play, let's go out there and cash big. But good luck with all of your other entries. Peace out.